Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Lesson today, block best rename in AutoCAD. It's so easy. Okay, let's go. PPG, enter. Now you set up as here. Name prefix, for example, D. Continue, sorry number, tick here. Starting number, for example, 01, okay. Sorry number prefix, no need. Block name, clear all name, tick here, okay. Name prefix, for example, PD, okay. Continue, select block, for example, click, continue, execute, click here, execute, and then click OK to finish. Okay, check again, PPG, enter. Now you look. Okay, very easy. Thank you for watching. See you next video tutorial.